Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to order and pay on Goat app. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up the Goat app. You can simply download these from your Play Store or Apple Store. So just download it and then open it up. And once you've opened it up, you can log into your account if you have one, or you can create one because you just need an email address to create one, so it's pretty easy. So once you have set it up and you're logged in here, so what you can do now, if you want to look for an order, so you can just search. You have a search bar. You can browse through the home screen here, or what you can do to save time, you can click on the search tab here and then search for the item that you wish to buy. So for example, let me choose something. I'll choose a sneaker. Let me this one, that's fine. I'll choose this sneaker here, so this is fine. So I'm going to buy this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on here, scroll down, and then what I can do, so I can see the size and price options here. So I'll just swipe that up, and then here, so that's the size. So I can for example, my size is 12, that's fine. So I have this 12. So if I click on it, and then now I have the price options here. So under new, so these are my price options. Or if you want to bid or offer, you can click on this offer tab and then place your bid. But I would just want to buy it, so pay for it and buy it. So hit on new, and then I will go for with this price option here, $327. I'll just select that. So once you select this out, now you get to the checkout page, and under payment here, what you're going to do, you're going to add your payment method. So based on your region, you will have different types of payment options here, so you can select the one that best suits you depending on your region. So just select the method, and once you're done with that, go back, and then you can go to this address here under ship to. You can just select your address here, so you can add a new address or your saved address, just add that. And once you have provided all this payment information and shipping information, so what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down, and all you have to do is just swipe to your right to make the payment. So all you have to do is simply click on this and swipe to your right, and then that's it. You will complete the payment, and that's how you make an order and pay in Goat app. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.